Hey everyone, Zach Petrocca with the Petrocca Properties team at Coldwell Banker Village Green Realty. And today I'm in the Catskill community in front of this amazing 4-bed, 3-bath, 3,200 square foot raised ranch that holds so much potential. Come take a look with me. Through the front door, you're greeted with a split-level design that allows for great potential to create a lower-level apartment with its own entrance while enjoying one-level living on the main floor. The main floor offers a semi-open floor plan with hardwood floors, bringing you from the formal dining room to the rest of the home. Just off the dining room, you'll find French doors bringing you to the sunken living room with a floor-to-ceiling wall of windows letting in plenty of natural light. The floor plan flows effortlessly into the generously sized kitchen, which lets in plenty of natural light. Through the sliding glass doors off the kitchen, you'll find a 3-season sunroom and large entertaining deck with a private backyard. Down the hall, you'll find a full bathroom and 3 well-sized bedrooms leading to the primary suite addition. The primary suite offers a generously sized ensuite bathroom and private entrance to the back porch. On the lower level, you will find a wood-burning stove and what could be transformed into a living room for an apartment space. The downstairs layout has many possibilities with multiple rooms that could be combined to enjoy the space however you'd like. The mechanical room has plenty of room to set up an additional workshop or be transformed into a studio. Concluding the bottom level is an additional large sunroom that can easily be used as an additional bedroom with its own entrance. Outside, you'll find wonderful landscaping in the front yard, wraparound driveway, and a 2-car garage. And nearby to the village of Catskill, Leeds, Hudson, and the New York Thruway. Also just 25 minutes to Windham and Hunter Mountains for skiing and snowboarding. I want to thank you for coming out with me today to the Catskill community, 181 Elting Road. Give us a call today.